ye introduce ade no within 2 years no 2023 ebesi 2020 June 2025 we no na petroleum product ye use gold for oil adia a utilize wo man mu ha ye de gold for oil na atuaka petroleum product nko no eye 1,095,000 metric tons of petroleum product. 1.9 million metric tons of petroleum product. The highest in the history of this country compared to time now. Not good for oil, no. Na yentimin kra oil. Ewo sa number sa tons we no na yentimin kra aso mine. But good for oil ne buy international oil traders no hun say afa dia Ghana ne omuntam adwadie no ayefo yesika sem tua no aye iza ama omo no quantity biya na domestic oil importers ne pay edi free omo international partners no no oman no ensaka because of the good for oil Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia policy ninti enti no ababeboa oman no ana ria sa policy we no so no ye kan omo say economy no ayeye no good for oil yi and stabilize the economy no e dey ama oman Ghana good for oil no enai andi si baaye no se mo hwe ya wo matraya ye niama bebre de niama bebre ka ho se be ya export price no ebetimi ayeden akosoro ebi ni dumso levy omode aba abeto so eniama bebre wo mo try to get something se ni south revenue aban we emeki on dumso levy nko ana driver for ni obi auto petrol bia enya in a month no 600 million Ghana cedis. A year we are talking about 6 billion Ghana cedis. And so this is the government. Or see, ye nyasi can't find ye free education ye. This is a government or see nyasika and find ye free education ye. Abaya every month. Dumsa living kwano. Onya 600 million Ghana cedis on Dumsa levy. A year no abano can cost 6 billion Ghana cedis. And so onya sika. Enye free senior high. Abani nyaska entua nurse foka. Abani nyaska entua teacher foka. Abani nyaska enfam recruitua nurse for mu wofie. Abani nyaska enfam recruitua teacher for mu wofie. Abani se onyaska enfam tua road contractors ka. Abani so onyaska enfam tua suppliers ka. Abani so onyaska enfam tua school feeding caterers ka. Abanya every month. Dumso living kwano, Dumso living kwa. Other revenue abano enya enka huo. On Dumso living kwa petrayeto every month bia every 30 days biano the government of Ghana ayewura don Dramani Mahama Nedano 600 million Ghana cedis.
Continue.
Afi 6 billion Ghana cedis.
Continue.
And so a near man may be boss in Yanano. A bunch of Yeska Nyere and your waduma. And now me no can say, so come ministries here. Every minister piano our program, but Osroso be bien and waka because Wakasa, reshuffle bearing ever count. Because supply beer and koso. Omo supply near man no. all the ministries asema to omo hwe nkwaso enso ye tua sika kese fa energy ho na sa policy way aba ama economy no stabilize petrol adwadie ayefo because of the gold for oil na said the midi country chiremo na aban krofo bi allegedly ne ye titititie no allegedly di ombedi omuyafu no enye said the man ne besi akona temamuni anya petrol an ho beton na ba bia de yeso di petrol ye ne yeso di ni dwuma boa na the living condition of the poor Ghanaian no atima koyie na mom enkrofo bi allegedly within the government a former cabal say God for oil no wa French him enye businessman bia obo NDC na to gold and the God for oil no yemfa to babi see the gold ekwakodi ayi petrol hu dwa no emwaye ya ye di akire ye nya bi ni ye ntimi mfa ntobo nya da ento so because God for oil no ye to ade no in cities until before ebeduru no na MPA any box a certified prices na ye koton ama Ghana for no enu ntira aban we tena se no no wa hu say MPP aban ya hihye bibia ento omo hu ba bia wombe ye ema patrobu akosoro ana omudi America kofa dumso levy by na se kire no eye top levy obi obetena ba bia ka kire o say dumso levy no eye say ye de ba be yi dumso afiri wa womoboa eye nkrofo bi allegedly omokwatena ase hu say enam se no ye calculate petrol ye de ba o man mu ha price na ye calculate in dollars biem because ye the city and the kokoto MPP aban enko na timi kire adwene because aman aka o matwa Ghana ho achia wo mo kra petrol no wo mo calculate wo mo kokra ba wo mo de dollar na ye calculation 2 years nie no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia edi gold for oil policy buy no Ghana ye kokra petrol ba ye use dollar calculation ni biem ye use you see the calculation straight away enti emra bi na petrol ebi kura na ye kokofa no $80 per barrel ubaba beduru kroma no yeso ashutu kon 85 no mu gusu yusu that $85 no and the year calculation the ma we the consumers no and then tisa and na petrol bia ye be kraba o man mu ha bia no agreement no ye top petrol in cities because the gold is sold in cities near they enter into petroleum agreement for petroleum product in cities until Ghana ha obi obe calculate petroleum product in dollars biano na nipa no eye kromfo any oil expert biana obetena kroma a calculate petroleum product in dollars biano nipa no eye kromfo because petroleum product biano from 2023 ebesi nenu ye tono in cities because of the gold for oil program na ewo honti and to obi obe calculate petrol product biano in dollars biano na pegana for na yere abu wa mo afaso wow pen brabe challenge me say yes anete say enay ye to gold in cities na they execute petroleum agreement product no in cities until everything no ever in cities until you have no right sa dia makwa cotton in cities or minor cotton in cities no obi betina kroma akakurati no in dollars and no na ndi sitina sia na omo se no energy ho na sika wo energy ho na didie wo until one yema electricity bo enkosoro and no ma subsidy by doing it and nay me o ma twere me wo bono region Bono region say I am me participate PUIC wamo stakeholders engagement here wamo baba yena electricity board baba kosoro and the response so about from the general secretary say MPP amanyoku no anyade say you be partake in that stakeholders engagement no because you did let any Sunday man if our Bono region say yenko sia omo region hon and niema na nka me betrekre e de akwakọ mo no komo rebe ho ba general secretary letter na ba abonte no ye gane sa points ne so ama no e laudable points na wa ama no e laudable ebi wo ne number ba 20 e laudable enyina ye ba besom na nka sama me kotwere e de ama regional PRC director no ko ontimi mfa ma Emre Dr. Suleiman a otre me petroleum ayi contract e wo kroma because ebesi nei PUIC eguso ebu Ghana for faso a petro womo charge electricity a womo base on the petroleum product ya petro ya kokra so wokwa mansan dwa so a $99 and $100 enti ye no based on that no ye converting ya gini say krono na PUIC for Ghana for because enay oman Ghana petro bia ye krade ba Ghana because of the gold for oil nintino ye kran in series enti PUIC tina kroma na so mo ye calculation converting electricity from dollars and some of their charge ye no consumers na just one Ghana phone kwasiafo one Ghana phone kwasiafo ne baba ababa kan ho asem Mesiki General Secretary permission send your matra about region no because of national there issue statement aba na Mesiki General Secretary permission say no omode aba region so no yen respondo na o makwan say yen respondo a wo mbete piga ne matra brom anti say ya aban ne plan aban na boni bini say motena se no mo say good for oil no tokro bia ni mo obi benya sika ye na awia enti nkrofo bi information abani meeting upon meeting allegedly ni say yenwu good for oil no na yempe means bia ye be come back to the traditional way yenkra ye patro in dollars na gold issue no yemfa no nyadan ento nchen enti wo ma friase achichi wo mo ana mo boa e supply gold edema Bank of Ghana na Bank of Ghana no mo come to genuine contract na Bank of Ghana so support wo for them to go and buy the gold no mo de buy Bank of Ghana ho no wo ma friase achichi wo mo e detain wo mo all because and this ya buying person mu gu gold for oil no na person mu gu no so mu nya reason bi di bata ho say gold for oil no kra no transparency nim corruption bi koso and based on the corruption no we are investigating company A company B and you know yeah suspended ye we are e a chief executive of Box former chief executive of Box yem freno former MPA boss yam from no munyina they are all under investigation because of the gold for oil masa ye mama tiase say ye life ye no ma yeti policy na se no muntimi mfa sa atichi no any media propaganda no mebri ye ni so ye baba abontia ba ba kirem say gold for oil no na eye transparent policy unya sika nwia wo munyadan enie Etimo pasamo come back to a previous way of purchasing petroleum product ya. Ye de dollar ne kokoto na ye siri no sane ye mra. Eno no ya ban ni decision. Ba asemo ba trase ya ka kire Ghana for say gold for oil na buy na nye transparent and crofo gold buyers ni companies bi na money Bank of Ghana and box former board chief executive and no more keka ho no e was some answers there. You people are joking because yamumu binum no platform bia yamu binum dia platform bia mo dia begina efa gold for oil ho no ye betima kire mo agumani mwase se ne mo kan bia mo boa yabetima kire mo agumani mwase enti edia na chichi opese ogu policy a edi so kwachi ebia former box CEO ana managing director ana former MPA boss na mo wi amaka so ni nyina no was about the gold for oil wasem hey plan no mfa to baby na mo magana fo hu say gold for oil na mo ntoa so na mo pe bibia ye dey adi but I'm saying say ope policy na ani da ho na obi ate ase emre bi ye de Ghana kwa koto ade a ye de dollar ne koto na obi akira adwene say ye betim di city akwa koto by using the gold gold ni ye beto gold ni in city ni ye to gold ni in Syria ye de enter petroleum agreement in city umpe we na sa oba be ka kire timamufo apia sika man centrofo bi say womontena wo TV station so because ebinum na wo de propaganda komam no they can read between the line and a policy no monti ase womonya de 20,000 say every puma no ma ka kire wo say wo kwa program no kototo ntasu ogu to say na kro no wom na transparency nim no akotena se anopa hey God for oil no ma hu sika die be ekoso sa because 20,000 be dey apai but wo ha wani can God for oil says kadie bi kwaso or can sa no asoreko wo bi sa no say God for oil e kire senya onima de kro because obi adom no aman microphone obi adom na de lances abie station amano ana onye na adwene say sa photocopy broadcasting certificate no oje ye na onye na adwene say okọ school na dia ne say onyanya bribe wi a wakwa akoka na okọ ade na yeso onko criticize nkro onima de kro ye catch on fa pen kra ontimi nkre ne dia ne say microphone ya bia ma no na wakasa na watoto ntasu agu politics so na okọ owia na wa from won say ma ye adwuma ne nyina o ba ya yete ya de ye ade ne yesua ya tra class yesua age hu certificate enti wo no saban krofo bi be ma sika na transit to tuntasuogu gold for oil no mu a ya yenim oil product ya yenim said the petroleum contract city domestic and international oil traders wo agreements city a ultimate trawa fidie no anya propaganda mfamba the next day everybody expose ogu anim ase am obi ahu ekwana ye faso international oil dwadie si yeden esiti eva be go animase enti sa propaganda na mo ye say some gold buyers be domestic gold buyers be na mo ye involved about gold for oil no ye ntete o ma yalo ne atia ne say and na me no ka say and this if wo binum wo mo mpetro mbe hu the deputy governor na anim because September this year yai and a deputy governor Bank of Ghana okojina land ya bonten so and also 2 programs by the previous government and amane Ghana economy aye papa and yes I can ye aye the domestic debt exchange program atima boye pa gold for oil atima boa pa what you say sanyama we nyina no olese e wo landing abonten so domestic gold purchase program no oboya baso wo ho say yetimi di initiate different kwame nkonoma penso na oman gold nyina ne ye wo aso man ye ne yeti gold so Africa ope Ghana na ne yeti gold so na different time yenya independence by abanya abanyina buomani guso and you call Bank of Ghana na omani gold over the years free 1957 besin ne Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ba 2017 na oman ni gold wa yewo 8 tons pe 8 tons 8 tons MPP aban free so no ne yetimi de 32 tons enti aban we obitimi tena radio so eka se MPP aban ya akromfo edi free Kwame Nkrumah penso yenya independence na Ghana Africa nyina yesi gold wa Ghana na oman no Bank of Ghana ye gold ani ye gold reserve na ye 8 tons per na MPP aban timi di 8 years e de ye 32 tons wa omo se sa aban ne ye kromfo sa aban Ghana for se sa aban no wi sika aban we are used to 8 years I break 60 something years record ewo kroma I been see though yeah the 8 years I break 60 years record 64 years record ewo ha Nana Addo Bawumia government 8 tons near the court 32 tons until within a year 22 tons or 24 tons and yet the ababa yet the ababa count 24 tons. That is MPP near Nana Addo Bawumia aban baba ye no. Not the deputy governor Kojina ho no see domestic gold purchase program no and atimaboa na eno ma yusuo sorry gold nkoa na sa gold for oil yi e ba ye no yetima gina so ayusu gold Ediatria oil ka 2023 to 2025 for a year 27.63 tons of gold and a year you so Ediatria 1.95 million metric tons of petroleum product under the gold for oil a policy. Untia yo ya de policy ni buy no. Gold wa yetima through the domestic buyers in the Bank of Ghana no. Gold wa yetima yusu edi akra petroleum product yaba kroma in cities. Aye 27.63 tons of gold. And aye dia petroleum product of 1.9 million metric tons of petroleum product ne dia tuaka. And sa mo wa bonten no am phone be mo no mon convert 27.6 tons of gold and fanko dollars man we sika e involve e wo low na say ufa 2022 na say o convert 1.9 million metric tons of petroleum product ya ade akose dollars ya sika no bebre na nkoman no you need that capacity to import 1.9 metric tons of petroleum product. You need that capacity no because you need that sika no because you best say a city akọ dollars na mom and nam say gold for oil buy near the gold na 20 sa petroleum quantities we no atimaba ama ensaye den aka enti oko attack box pharmacy wa ono no Bank of Ghana tua fuwa no through the gold for oil petroleum product agreement na box ni duma die say they certify the quality of petroleum product ya eba krom hanom enti say Bank of Ghana assign any MP assign ayi petroleum purchase ayi agreement ni wia na product no box aya box oil and storage transportation no wamuno a certifier kase product no meet specification na waman Ghana yepe no then the Bank of Ghana wamu certify we are no ma communicated the ama Bank of Ghana na Bank of Ghana effective payment no ɛyɛ simple enti box kora no any dealings via set of top via ne dia says you only certify and na woman certify product bia ye wie ya yes product ne ye contaminated enye papa ebinsiye under the gold for oil product no ebinsiye enti mo pesa mo twam mo ntwam ene dia ye matsema because petrol bu okosora mo fi se ho na mo benya bia ye dan adidi ye matsema na mom sa mo ba keka ma yenim se policy no ani da ho ayete ase ne yete oil agreement ase de enya adwuma mawie ne sa no na ye ko galamsey hon sensem yanko Charles o ma issue statement say afi national question mass entimi nkoso because schools ni sika won be convene enkra edo o makosa competition no enti this year de no enya maso ama o ma issue letter ama letter na ba over the weekends na emu owrem me kasa me boso se abanya dumso living kwa wo mo gisika every month 600 million Ghana series on Dumso levy. Nanado dam kwa kofuado. Eyusu wo mine petrol ye to musika kakra. Any revenue ye nya kakra. Ene dia sustain free education ya besi ne. Sa revenue na ni ye nya free petroleum product. Ana ye oil ye to no mine Ghana mu no. Aban we ba ogusoje. Enso besi ne no release bia mon release sika emma secondary school to foa ebetima boa ama ayi science and maths competition na ekoso e various secondary schools na tima baso na banya uni sika de ba support science and maths competition no sa ban no dwana num say aye science technology engineering and maths schools no or babe cinema masa hana odada no sa STEM schools no MPP aban start ye STEM schools were ye topeti ye selected some schools ye start ye uba Greater Accra kwa Bono Racing ukwa Western Region ukwa Asante Region ukwa Western Region ye say science, technology, engineering, and maths. Yeah, baby, because Sanyama 9 way and the kita of mind be a development. Science, technology, engineering, and maths. And on the kita of mind be a development. Uko Japan, technology. And I'm a Japan adru sami engineering and I'm a Japan adru ba and I'm a Japan aye Japan ukwa Malaysia technology and I'm a Malaysia aye Malaysia ukwa Singapore engineering and I'm a Singapore aye Singapore and the MPP under Nanado Baumia administration no and you say Sanyama 9 way no a baba ye key team even at the junior high level ekoko sisa obekọ secondary school no science technology engineering and maths no ye de aba e MPP na de bai and this ba na anu adai wo mo ntwehwe animu ne say wo makosunyane a education minister say or kwa lanche STEM at the basic level yati o kwa lanche STEM school at the basic level bia no ni problem but ye misa say ni obeto ye no what ma sustain na abanya wo so kwa ye STEM school at the basic level no ni obeto ye no I science and maths competition no ekoso no eno na bie enkra na dwene mo amudi sua de na eno na de ne beko na engineering level eno na de ne beko as a scientist technologist mathematician and no mo se mu nya sika enye but at the basic level no makwa lanche mo de ne se mo ntimi nya budget ekokọ lanche at the basic level as ade no kwa na wo hodada enti nakrata aba let a free chance aso ya aba say afi we die no aya ninguase ade ama president John Dramani Mahama say science and maths competition no aban fast come my entientimi maso ko schools no niska enso moti ho ana mo ka stems science technology engineering and maths emfa so ni so because MPP penso sadie we ansi aban na mo say aban ni nya papa no na Ghana fo mfa tumi mamo ne kasa tentene ni dede no Ghana fo de tumi na mom na sama mo we so na ye Ghana fo de sama mo we na Ghana fo hu amutimi da sama mo we na Ghana fo e ba mo da amutimi hwe nkromo ama kromo nkokọ ne enabodabo ni mprako nyina sorry sama mo no aba because mo se send this for opposition na mo ho tete mo ho ntomo mo da mo na andisi aba aban mu enti amamu a mo hwehwe no mo nsaka Ghana fo amamu a mo hwehwe no mo nsaka eno na na ye da sorry ye science and maths quiz competition abantimi religious ka emfama secondary schools no enti krata afritas ho aba say afidie no entimi nkoso amamu a mo musu ye ebo ho mpaye ehwehwe ho esufra awurade no awurade de amamo abampapa aba enti enyina ye ntrem ye ko galamsey issue and other matters na no Friday omampanyini sia civil society organization for na omampanyini say state of emergency no betima bama and this a national security advice no national security so baka kire ne say state of emergency na nye 2027 na andisi fo nyina obia obeka se galamsey activities ya bafam echen MPP pens no andisi communicators in some omo kan nyina no yate se galamsey abafam yate ye no obia ni asem namom amanfo omo kwaba dada nyina nim se enei Africa ha ope babia galamsey edi bronya pa ye Ghana number 1 the whole Africa babia galamsey edi bronya eye Ghana e dey say andisi fo nko a na se galamsey activities abafam na mo wani ene andisi fo na binu so di adanse ye say wo mo pensu kura galamsey aginsamu na president say and this a national security advice no say the any responsibility so be declare state of emergency na mom aye the responsibility of the national security ne kai civil society organization for ni nyina mo koye president farm sam ye nkra because me meti ha idea me represent on here TV there president ntimi nkasa asem na nkire me because ma dwene so adwene mu do ontimi ntwema nim nka nkire me say the responsibility of the national security say one bad advice in say on declare state of emergency one me ameti sanka president mama konya no na on fa mama dana yesu aba se me metia president frame dubri house wa ana meti obia mo fi saka president mama betema ka say this a national security advice and about timinka because maybe son say question number 1 maybe son say why need the chairman of the national security won't say kroma civil society organization for ni binu wo ha energy assembly wansua energy o person can be galamsey assembly onye environmentalist and onye research bi anyere emfa ho o person can be economy assembly because of say wo matete think tank no mo nenam ho no o person can be afna bi na watu abom why say both ayi peace one what Ghana ayi nyonkopa Daniels economy asemba opese can be also nim he unim hute your man people cry you can't write your name economy asemba wo munyina they want to be heard. They want to be heard. I wouldn't want you can't think far. And you know, and I'm saying issue by any of it. Now, person can be intino. Tambia ni panisia or show any official one kwa dwene from. And in the open be over catch no. A pina president mama who say, Mama call you know better match your money more catch them say. And this is national security advice no near the kind. So far the 1992 constitution now. Producer, ko break 1 minute and na cry am one say me constitution ni ha. Ko break 1 minute na me confirm constitution mra. Ko President na all catch civil society organization for say And this is a national security advice. Into president now, one advice you. President Nankasa who advise so when also this a national security advice so near the kind we are chairman of any organization biana a year programs and policies and I would call to money for them to advise you. National Security Council per the 1992 constitution and nipa or chair or tear drum say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni decision as a chairman National Security Council one fana and President Mahama and America as a chairman of the National Security Council no President Mahama many members of the National Security Council no binuma kasa we say President Mahama emfa emre manim about the state of emergency no on family many members of the National Security Council binuma kasa many some members in binuma kasa many some of them are kasa amo mama Matias say president emfa anything like state of emergency emfa galamsey humai because somebody discuss here so mko a year one year chairman of the national security into agenda for national security meeting biano a president one adeko at the president yabasrawa man ye famfu so ye famfu a opa say ofa kwambe su didi atem say won kwa na wani ate won kwa na wako school won kwa na aye smart ba me ma wante ase say famfu no de obetuma ka say ye famfu but beyond that no ye nye famfu beyond that ya dwene mu da ho because one aye the chairman of the National Security Council. And every meeting be a national security but ever friend, one afre national security meeting. One afre meeting, wakase wa agenda ni based on agenda no, and the members of the national security one are appointed one president. 80% of the members of the national security one are appointed one. Why? National security, or IGP or a member. There was some rep. As commissioners binum wo ha wo mo wo ho a wo control wo mo so security heads ni nyina so fa IGP any police rep IGP ba as a police head no ansa na Ghana police service what na nya rep e wo so national security coordinator wona wa appointing as a national security coordinator or a member of the National Security Council. BNI, Director General, or a member of the National Security Council. Prison Service, Director General, or a member of the National Security Council. Fire Service, Director General, or a member of the National Security Council. Chief of Defense Staff, or a member of the National Security Council. Narcotic Board Control, Narcotic Authority, Director General, or a member of the National Security Council. President, Sam Crawford, you signed the appointment letter and sent a Ghana Bar Association rep, Abba. And you want to appoint Sam Crawford and you took what Gina and you pardon him say. State of emergency, this is a national security advice. You be say national security tenacia. Why in the chair? Now, as a chairman of the national security, no, when initiate agenda for the council, and the president, una initiate agenda, and the agenda be I am saying it today, say the president as a chairman of the National Security Council. On fire agenda bianco national security about the state of emergency on Galamsey issue. Finito. And this has no catch said this a national security advice no. And Nipana all cast no one to me advice no because on the agenda ko mumisa so the agenda ako national security. Council say agenda and 10% discuss about state of emergency on Galamsey issue. Onye be that. onye bi da no mfa so nkoda o de bekọ ade say 2027 because ye bekọ in election year no mo dia brigana fo ani so say NDC afedo ma ye zero to fight eno na me beteto say ya no mo ye meeting say akwa president Mahama no mo ye meeting say abronye de mamfana ntunkura me retire as a president ba me so de meti ameba be kan wo de famitum ye wia ye nwie yo Galamsey wansem ya wo mo ka se Galamsey ekofamu yi ukwa Western region Railway liar MPP aban adwuma Honorable Joe Gata ye Railway liar a free Western region ebesina ko insuta Asante region enkrofo bi atima identify say railway kwan no ewo Galamsey so enti ayi railway kwan a o man na boka ye na ekoso ye over $3 billion no ene ye didi ase afa ase ye Galamsey under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama administration railway akwan Jogate Honorable Jogate ye nya asenkuma na enamu sa ebabesin ko nsuta no enne Galamsey fo take over enti dakromo bate say train bi namu na buagum wom na accident kase yesi train bi akonya accident adan akoto Galamsey amenam enti utuwa be bisa say na train so ye de koto Galamsey amenam train kwan no Ghana fo because ye to aba wie no and this vigilante boys and this vagabond boys tiase so ma pai na aba omo no ni certificate no makoye adwuma e wo ministries enti omo de ne say enti trasem omo ye ma and this mo mba power no ombe kwa akoye enti trasem e wo forest mu asay oman no forest asay oman na japade enne train kwan wo Ghana ha ye Galamsey wase produce video no man enini train kwan ayaye obi anhwe bi train kwan na nado danko akofo ado ne ba omi aban aboka ye no ya boka ye a enamu from Western region ba insuta na piemu wa Asante region no ne NDC mrantia ne mabawa ne Galamsey activities adi train kwan na faso no so o ma say train kwan no because of Galamsey nti obi anhwe bi na Ghana need to meet trust NDC communicators etimi katre media say Galamsey abafama na train kwan MPP free aban so na sa kwan we na nye say na tie ne ya ye ne fefefefe and no ma yi nade ne nyina afiri so train kwan o ma yi nade ne nyina afiri so aye Galamsey within 10 months nie e kwana NDC aban atima hwa ha na Galamsey activities e kwaso weye Western region eba na mu aba insuta santimantamu tre akwan ye ba ya boka true because aluminium na ye pese ye friend saying ya aluminium factory na ye pese ye ni nyina no ese ye train kwan etimi ye papa ye box side no ese nan nti ese ye train ye papa na car kofo ado bo na ye betima nya aluminium industry because wontimi nya aluminium industry papa wo train nyere train akwan ni ho because mo na de beko ne okwan na mo de ya faso ni Galamsey fo asay omana ya boka over $3 billion na kwan rain quantimpon ye and free Western region to Asante region no ni ekoso no enso obi be gina microphone nim ni obedi enti and this communicator betra radio so obetwem obegina oni encentrofo obehia no akase Galamsey activities no above from NDC communicator ebe yesa na what is that video we to nchen a ene chama wuntumi ekoko pie mu ewo siya di asoye na one person omu use chama wuntumi na omu prosecute na omu kase o ye ba ye no ye de chama wuntumi atum because chama wuntumi ye galamsey na no me kan wa ha say allegedly evidence ye kita wo mo person omu prosecute chama wuntumi no sa evidence no enkrofo omu de koye no wo makope different galamsey site ya chama wuntumi kura nanensi woda eye MPP for eye Bono East MPP regional youth organizer ye friend Charles Ado na ono na ye Canada Japan regional coordinator wa Bono East ho ono na akwakotwetwa amana different and odi attach and odi feeding crofo wa aban mu say sa galamsey amana we nyina no aye chama wuntumi dia nti all because chama wuntumi e wo baomia ho enti Bono East regional youth organizer of the party oye Canada Japan coordinator and akotwetwa different galamsey amana and odi aman crofo wa aban mu say wo munyina no so enka se chama wuntumi ye illegal mining na omunko prosecute no na omumfa ntum se be ya onya kwane meye campaign emfa ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia but chama wuntumi babia akonta mining okita lease oye mining ni wieye no wo ye reclamation a chama wuntumi ye reclamation no adua kube awo so babia chama wuntumi ye adwuma no per the mining lease agreement no or ye mining in ria so reclaim land no until chama wuntumi start sa reclamation of the land no say be ya in the next 10-15 years no assassin be ya said ye city na producer yi sa video no kira manfo e kwana chama wuntumi afa so asiesie ba bi okoye akonta mining no enye illegal na mo okita lease. This is the chama wuntumi babi okoye adwuma o ye ne bronyin fra no reclamation of the land what dua kube over 10,000 and no da ho no and so MPP ni ye fra no Chasado wo Bono East no wakwa babi foforo enye we na ode koye o wakotwa babi foforo all because chama wuntumi ewo Bawumia and ono wo Kennedy enti kwambia so obeka chama wuntumi anu atum no e dis a prison enti ye nitro ngu chama wuntumi so say e hai ni de ye papa because omuntimi nyina we tumfa ne ntum because wadi mra ne so na Chasado no akotwetwa amena foforo and odi feeding crofo bi no wo aban mu say ha nyina ye chama wuntumi dia enso chama wuntumi ntu ni nansi woda. That is why MPP internal elections Ekwaduru Ntasa no Osara no onenam me or the mema dying bebre akwakoma or the adan in my name say ye memedia adan a on one list aye letter to so say ye abronya dia no dia akwakoma omo wo mreko sa adan yi menim ba bi esi menim ho maachi menim ho asem ano omudi akọ ni nyina ne say before 31st no asese abronya miana no asese chama wuntumi miana no enti ebe bia physical ne spiritual de ba bia omonam nyina chase ado ne nam osoro ne nam nyina accident trap nyina ye mane sika e mane di ne nam nyina yenim ana physical na okwe ye nyina wo kroma we are observing na ye mo beliefs na ye katrensa o ye man ni wi aye ni sei amachama wuntumi adi so na MPP ni kotwetwa galamsey amena e da ba bi sei eye chama wuntumi na ba obeye ya dance ye ni ho ade koma asa de se ye nyina so mfam prosecute na no wa hunsa nkrofo binom eye dangerous babi antana elections ne kono na ye nwie ye producer ye nko yanim na ofa chama wuntumi atena yede ne court say why illegal mining enti tena ye kwako prosecute na na ya bisa say me ba be bob video bi NDC constituency chairman or obstructing anti-Galamsey task force for say mo kwan mo mepam nkrofo mo ye Galamsey ewo denchira ho because the party na wa power obstruction aye offense under the criminal code at 29 no because obstruct a police officer and a security officer from doing his or her work here a criminal offense under the law. And the ban saying NDC constituency chairman or preventing anti-Galamsey task force of one from doing their work. Now, ono dia besin ne see the for investigating no. Na chama won to me a reclamation of the land ono na modene court. Na NDC constituency chairman why insist say woman dia Galamsey no mbe didi ho no ma ban na wa power no ono dia omo fa ne court producer but that video no man.
Minutes after the rage, the team was accosted on the road by an angry NDC constituency chairman who says he was not consulted before the operation. Some party faithful, some of whom were mining in the town, blocked the road, preventing the team from assessing the impact of Galamsey in the town. An aerial scan revealed a huge excavation in the middle of the Dumpal township, close to the main bridge. An angry mob, threatening to face off with the armed soldiers, besieged the bridge where the team had parked their vehicles.
Swansea chairman said the party na wa power. This year, this year, anti-Galamsey task force for kwako yo madwuma so mo Galamsey nkoso. And this constituency chairman block omo stop soldiers. Say omo no de omo nkwadi appointment oba bi omo de ne so mbeye Galamsey adidi. Sa chairman gusu wo ho ebesi na attorney general enkase de ne kokko to chena ebesi na Ghana Police Service enkase omo di NDC constituency chairman no court eno no na kire se Ghana Police Service wo mo ye selective eno na kire se attorney general no a constitution ne say crime bia ye crime irrespective of party ni politics nipa na involved no ni political color no crime ye crime no and this nini the attorney general yi na sinchen and this nini the Ghana Police Service yi na sinchen and this nini the President Mahama say mo prosecute no na mom chama wontumi a why reclamation of the land no ono de yenko prosecute no we are observing pa. Ye observe until ye hwe niam ye den ekọ ye wie ya na President Mahama ka kire say ono ne penso no o man lease bia but man lease so the open so o mama bi pa man lease the open so o mama bi pa me ba show man lease open so ye jagum producer show ni publication na document A2 no document A2 now or say ye man list be ada yen show na ne aka no yen static ne yen ne tentem A2 wey yen mining list or mama document A show no be who mining list ya aban we buy or mama yam fanto so ne guso no companies na ne guso no at 2025 document A fatoso producer fatoso aban we buy mining list or mama no companies ni ne guso no document B fato so ne yenko companies ni din meme abobo companies na din a on by 2025 nti president be kase ne penso o man in lisia and na nwumre mi show president nim verify national nopa o ma lands minister me kase program na me ye no hia tv a me show document say president Mahama kase o man in list men so me say o man in list mpase lands minister honorable Kofi Amaboa and na nwumre ya na ochena on fa release mra say documents na ma show no e fake. Document B, what show? Document C, manning list in Kwanono, our mama 2025, and in your president Kayano, inaccurate. Document D, Fatoso, Nina your companies are fee and your mama manning list. Document E, Nina your companies are fee when your mama manning list. And then at Hono, until you know more at Nakruma. Yawie no ne yetenete akọ honorable Godfred Odame kokopie mu wo si ya dia so ye efa Richard Japa asem no ho na sa me nim say o invite obi na unua wo Supreme Court na unua invite obi so meti asem obabaduru ye na mo implicate no about wo Japa wo case ho na ye wie ya sa nipa no yetimi de ne kosi ya dia so ye say onuna fabricate an our 4G a statement aka equality aw wo mama wo frɛ no aka si ni kɔso na wo yusu wo nua de frɛ no all because say power ba be di mu ho nti mu pese mo victimize honorable Godfred Odame ne atie ne say and this time mo time Godfred Odame nyina ya ade baako because mo woni say oye so sharp oye sharp guy ni brains ni ya adwuma ana cases ya mo ne de face nyina na ekotiamo and mo dey right from day one Godfred Odame as a deputy attorney general Godfred Odame as a substantive attorney general and this amanyo komu me pen asem da enti meeting upon meeting amo yese mo anya no kra no on this year mo be fa general legal counsel mo ma revoke ne lances no Godfred Odame o still young person. Ana minyi ni se MPP ye be di 40 years ansa na yaba. Said ye akwa bi otia soja onim ne all kan o se yemfa sikadwa mepa na cha onye sa MPP ye mma power da no. Se ye di sikadwa Kofi aya santemanya japade be kwa akopa Kevin Taylor cha de ene ye ntena opposition forever and ever. Se MPP ye di sikadwa Kofi ebe kwa akopa Kevin Taylor chow edie say onyi no onyaye even Asante Manwura enipa osan otumfo chow so ekora ekwa say ono na ekwa akopa Kevin Taylor chow yebaka say yentena opposition enipa osan opepa otumfo ahene maso no so no say or kwako pack Kevin Taylor on behalf of MPP, yabaka said that be about no opposition forever and ever. Nasika Kofi. Until Yamamati as say, Godfred Odame the amount now over the years. And Timothy we na ye cry more than about general legal council. Hey, more than a choir, more pamonian and lances, MPP ababa. MPP ababa. Yaba the engineer than a lances yamano. Ni asana ye na attorney general no asan be prosecute mu mo pa mo fan sign ho because and this if we nya ho se Godfred Odame na musro ne de a mo hu na na mo towura mu yi ono na da bia ye de ne be ma mo no watena mo kon so wa ha mo po mo mpo the next MPP gabe ye be sande na ba ma na betata mo enti enu ntina mo tata ne de a agro wo mani so because what time from deputy attorney general atana as a substantive for inti neno movie someone ya to me enti mu ba be huna no enkosi hu ye de yete ha MPP so de ye ready say victimization harassment bi e be koso bia no yesom na mo machina no obi obetena ba bia question no ba bia wugina a wo question no ye be ba ho aba be bisaw adwenkora da otima wo de question Yawie no ne yekɔ internal elections obi tiatia report eba nyina ne say yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia fit na mantamu eba nyina eba sramo polling station executives for electoral area coordinators constituency executives for question me bi samo ne say aspirant Kennedy Japan ne onama oso opem no mo na ye be ko constitutional amendment no omo de asem ne ko court no se be ya conference ne maso no mo mpese conference ne kura be baso because no mo feel say ye kwa akoka 31st no asem na nam se party no mo di akire kekenti no mo nim party na mo constitution nti no mo nim say enye conference na be kan 31st ho asem na mom a national council na be kan ho asem omo file injunction ehye obi achi e ma ne file injunction against the conference no enti obi a on pesa wo beto aba 31st no ne yete ne say o pesa wo sa nipa no oba betu yete kurama ana Canada Japan ne nkrofo e kasati ase wo mo ya against top down no see ekoyi frabera first no mo ntia ase because na adwena o ma fa ne say mo police station fo no o mbeba betu mu o mo konsa ntokwa na anya yie no and no mo ba be ka kire mo police station fo no say wo mo dwena mo misa o mo say na wo dwena me ho a eyeda wo say yankwato me so aba na ekoto me so aba ma me lusu ya ka baba be gina manim akasa me meto aba ma misa Canada Japan no say ono na se yankwa start polling station lesson enti misa Canada Japan say senka start polling station no yekoye electoral area ye constituency na wulusu ya ka Canada Japan be ba be gina wani mana dabi because onya obiem eye ono ane nkrofo ani Canada na ye dede okroma say top down no eye se Bawumia kwa wi abam Bawumia onya so obewi abam no wawene yewura Dr. Mahmood Bawumia onya so obewi abam ansa na wawene enu ntia Bawumia ka say the current polling station executives no wo mandate ne nsonye enti yamfa wo enkoto presidential no first ana wo Canada Japan mo se mo ntiase ye mo ye dede wo kroma se ne mo ba wi nipa ene eye wie ya mo yi U10 mi wa fie ha me kan wasem se Canada Japan ne nkrofo se wo mo ntiase ma top down ne ma ye nto presidential no first ye nkoye polling station all because wo mo mpe polling station executives we asem ene mo yi U10 sa fe de mo pa o masem polling station for mo nkai asem adabia me ka kire mo na yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia nyame ya adoma 31st January mo mpegya no na ono na ya ton ne dada now san Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia wo kwa campaign be NDC fo ne Ghana fo be ka say na chese first no mo be dada yemboa se first no mo ma ye bad candidate dia ene neso yenim se mo ma ye bad candidate yes in politics in the friend consistency a year duma because what the nipa no kwa ne anye yes sa de ne kobiem na mamu kwasesa na on na say and this focus ne ntia yesesa Bawumia ne say or ye bad candidate ya o mo de beto aso say ne mo de na ba so ye bad na mom ye repeat Bawumia the NGC be kan fa no nyina 2024 no ene no maka no enti e be repetition of message ya Ghana for entie biem entie ewura Bawumia ana esese madawroma asi ahenefo mode ne ko edemaye na internal election ya mu mede maka saufa and sema kwaswa right from day one me kan ofia say me de me nyusu mi station emfan say MPP said the netu ni on my FM ye no all because omu fi say omu nipa no onya election no nti ye say kuo no dabi me de ansa me tifie ha de any propaganda bia Kennedy Japan be ye be kwatia MPP ne nkrofo no I will make sure say me ba be kirem say de esitie bia na sa propaganda na omo ya na ma be kirem asem no ene na omo nye happy about me but okay Solid TV na kura Shaibu no mo amonim ewo MPP mo ne mo amowo Asante region nyina no Shaibu no enei Shaibu yi ana ye HFM manager Shaibu ana ye HFM manager Shaibu no na owo HFM ena Madam Stella a Japan Canada Japan yire panyine no ane Canada Japan na akonyi wo mo nyina di wo mo ne Franco ane away bus way back yo what am I want to me way no what I HFM Franco our losing TV CIA debiotna losing TV so and no morning show no I had die say or a neutral person or trena dwene no what HFM no can sports for no sports team for no can who be and nay because of say no yeah juma our HFM no na ya be TV station papa no wanya akwanya akwatena losing TV ye papa e chamba bi owo no ono ne so ye neutral ana waji sika wo Kennedy ho enti otena se wo losing morning show na o yusu losing TV morning show no edi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia tem edi kasetia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na I am surprised at losing TV ebe ma Franco kwan Franco na no wo HFM wo mo ye ya HFM gu ye no sa suban no ne krono ne kadabure no odi aba losing TV ho Shaibu no nansei Shaibu no e ma no 15,000 Ghana series e ma woni morning show team bi ni bi kokoche 7,000 enti no Shaibu no was Solid TV online na Tama ye na dino no so ye freelance journalist and onam basa because ni babi ko ni certificate no emfa djuma ni certificate public sector bia no a ebe recruit no because a first line broadcasting certificate na yede ekita no obia no onko recognized university bia wo ha onko any tertiary school bia tertiary education bia certificate no aye recognized aban kra fa aduma ye be fa Shaibu aduma Saasuna Franco no anenam ho no onko university bia wo Ghana aye recognized ya ye say public sector ye recruitment ya ye be fa Franco na aduma entini dia ne say bribe Onkwaje bribe no use losing TV ni losing FM emfa nidi Bawumia atem Sachuba no de tena HFM ena mrebi Kennedy Japan yire ni be yi o madi ena kire omo pe president nti yasana fresa ankrofo ni nyina ni Shaibu no asana babak mumisa omo se Kennedy anyi o madi mumisa Armstrong na odi Kennedy Japan chi oso pe regional secretary e wo central region no HFM okumase mumisa ze Kennedy Japan nyina di obe pe presidency ayi antina wasana fro mu nyina aba because officers ankofo no be kanasem yenim ni nyina enti wotena losing TV wonom na sa Franco no mon kan kire no say on for certificate ni said ni so called media certificate no on fan ko any of the public institutions say you be fa na djuma because enye recognize ana na djuma na oye no any pension onya pending kokora bo ba bre say any pension antino lot ya bre abie ni TV ni na yia mundi ba be di Bawumia atem dia ye wa ha ye da asema me ka kire lot ni say ye de ye wa ha se Franco na no HFM no ayi HFM no edit atuba na ba losing TV dia ye de wo kroma we are observing na tem omudi ene nioma omu ye yahu ni nyina over the weekend before that kra no na Kennedy Japan akra bia okwaji ni free Apostle Kwadwosafo the late Apostle Kwadwosafo honorable Kennedy Japan kwaji akra bi efri Apostle Kwadwosafo Hebra no hu honorable Adwasafo no kofi ho no ana Apostle Kwadwosafo de sa akra ne ma no so we kra no o ya asini na ne papa ni bi na me fa no say me hwe no e na Honorable Kennedy J sa akora no omo frɛ ne safo womo mo kɔbɔ pɔbɔne e fa me ho womo wie ya no na omo so womo soma sa akora na Kennedy fa na wantima mfa na nko school no say on meka say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia camp e pe abronya kunu nto no di kana ba beka mewa eye pa no mabo tama video ne ba ye no Ghana police eyi nani asema safo no beka ye no Ghana police yi o mani producer yensa ne nkai ye tiefo asema akora Kennedy Japan afa na ye frɛ ne safo a oji ni free ye de sa akora ne to Apostle Kwadwo Safo nti Apostle Kwadwo Safo na introduce no say we kura sini na mafa no o papa ni bi o maame ni bi e na me hwɛ ne na oji ni free Apostle Kwadwo Safo school kura wantima ma na nkobi because asoma ane kopa ne mi medinti awantima masafo na nko school enso da bia wabo nipa ana omo bo pɔ na safo no na ede ba ba kyerɛ sɛ ɛpɔ na ye bo no nya abronya ebe ye ne bibi na mom ye ne bibi a ye mfa nhyɛ Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia camp ɛna safo no di kan be kan sa asɛm ne sɛ Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia camp pemene chama wuntumi akunye na obi kan wu asɛma na oguso ne nam ho video we akovara Ghana Police Service and they say wonu onhu ye the biased police officer a audit see di honom no ye na ya chime na Kennedy Japan afre na ko di America ko duru Kennedy fie age ne yes so de because ye chime okọ Kennedy fie nyina no ye nim bam Kennedy tamma serse wonu about mimi case but Kennedy akora asafo eka so obekuma bronya dia ene dia sese onu no wayi nani producer di kan boss a video no
me ne abronya enye fine me sense a o hyase e be didi sansem hunu no ere kire ono buken no me ne nkasa me mfrɛ no ono so mfrɛ me na mom no ene me won kra bi ma no wa obehwe me awo ne number no betimi asende ana obetimi screen record na de asende no say on tighten the security mu ye pa na baby attack me ban baby ono ankasa de no akodon no when attack eba e den no person me kan ba for abronye na motive on person de yen sa no ene say me say wa unim abronye na unim kra na asema me ken me so be screen recording na wa send e de ama abronye anasa wo be to social media no ankasa enya bi ahwe say Oma onom kwanna ekra na e o Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia camp no onhwe ne hu yie wo mo onda ne ho so e wo mo ho tema wontumi hwe wo hu yie e wo mo ho da wo ho so e wo mo ho first omo say akwatia sabronya ne wontumi si ho a omo ankasa be mam nkofo abo mo mienu na ye dia se Honorable Ken abronya crowd there ebi su se omunje ne nkwa emfiri ne nsem na ye nka se Honorable Ken okodi na atem na se Choman interview bi okoko ye se e kan se ohia abronya ana se o attack Honorable Ken bi ma ohia na obebo no no ompese omye saade no ade omsaka abronya na omde se through Choman no omde se Honorable Ken no maka so mudi na so I disqualify no na anya fa ono abronya mfa nya no me say information a minya no enne meeting bi akoso say omo pese mudi abronya bone nti abronya bia obi ansa wo tie mi wo so bi na be twa kire wo da ho so ewo team na wa join no me mom pese om de yo no na wiase ya say coach amansa I can say kramaya otiase no ne ho mfa so se coach amansa wa den wawu kramaya otiase ana ponche otiase no ho mfa so se ne jata ana sisire a wawu
ne atia ne se utiase wa Kennedy Japan akora a one ne nam ebe ka se Bawumia camp epe abronya ne wuntumi akuomo eyada Bawumia supporters bebrebe ni omo ba Bawumia chidom nyina no eya abronya ne wuntumi ena Bawumia pe omakuomo ah nipa doma edi Bawumiachi o akuku dama edi Bawumiachi nyina no Bawumia kokoye meeting a opa abronye ne wuntumi akwa ama Kennedy Japan akora Kennedy Japan fa na onene etiti na onene na nam 24/7 ebe kasa asemwe na momo koye mu meeting a no di kanaba se o obedi kanaba be kan dia hye Bawumia nti o kan de hye Bawumia na se BBC a no maka so odi kan ba be kan we nyina sa information we ni audio ni video we akọ Ghana Police Service ehu oso onya information no safo oso onya information no safo no number safo na ye kan ne number e wo ho safo no number no ana me di ba betu dwai 026 safo no number na me di ba betu dwai o nipa ni screen or that screen so yi Ghana Police Service for say omo hunu no ne number e 026 86 55 655 oni Kennedy Japan and nam 24/7 ana o makoye o made because yeda nipa dom edi yewura Bawumiachi no Bawumia so obekum abronye no wuntum for what enti sa asem we nyina no o chihya na sa o de ba obi abehu ba bi afiri ba enkoda abrantia omosisa o waya waso west na ono jo ye Kennedy Japan supporter or see a friend the Desert Lion. Munko video or no swaye. A producer boni video no.
On the day of elections, Meme Kofi Amposa, the Desert Mafia, men kotwaba o me constituency, mayor observer. Na observer na me no so abronye constituency na ma koyo observer. Ti abronye video we wunti na meye se aduru na wadi a yebedi bi ahia wo se tramo na wonom a yebenum bi ahia wo da no ti abronye just get prepared Mrs. Tramo na wanom a yebenum bi ahia wo aduro na wadi a yebedi bi e de ahia wo in on the day of elections no me say me observer Emma Honorable Kennedy Japan na abronye constituency so na meko constituency bia se ma kwa abronye constituency na desert na me danum Johnson na menye bema me kwa abronye constituency ho na ma kwa observer me kwa observer ma Kennedy Japan ti abronye momwa mo ne te power kra montumi ehunu nipa o ne ye nyina ya boro pepepe e na wo abronye wo be kire so we be ma me say on the day of elections abronye o constituency out to aban e ho me desert mafia me ba be observer e wo ho ama Kennedy Japan baby abronye wo to aban e ho na me be observer me to aba e wo me constituency me ma ba de no me de be che because I know Kennedy be winning no be winning massive but baby awo abronye wo no e ho na me ba abe observer anase ma be agent on the day of elections baby abronye wo bia say ye transfer na ya nka constituency wo na me transfer beto aba wallahi nimshe udidi na ono motra mo ala te ho dwa wonum kira sa oye bema oye bema brame so fa unko gina aga desert so se wanjo so jon so ho abra wunya fa desert ne so kura no se wanjo so jon so ho asia o te ga so oye bema wo mo de e na bibinti o e na bibinti isi e ma ba yentam unya wo a o ya de na odwona oba ho na wo wagime che obi wabodam che obi o de also ye bema edane duru ababi abronye wo no e ho na me akoye agent
you know ne ankoledi no
on the day of election.
Yes, near Canada, Japan, or do be by picture to TV, so I can't see who I am born in Prano. The baby be over 3 days near Kun. Yes, near you look Canada, Japan, or catch the MPP for the MPP for Jimmy, or who be that, or who didn't belong to that political party, and what the MPP when him say MPP for to Abamano, no mayor the flag bearer and put the president of Ghana. Ex near you look Canada, Japan, a car say, young IMF, or see young IMF, baby, young for 11 Branavia, young for 11 by a MPP for as Agina, IMF. Ex no, you look Canada, Japan. One ye be a parliament be our 2 year. Yes, no, you're looking at the Japan catching and say street lights or Ghana 1 year. 1 year, yeah, what Jesus cannot 200 man. And now no catch the blue lights for say, or we can't problem street lights and no crowd found into S. Nayon. It is about me, ever did flag bearer, and that's someone to me we need elections. Canada, Japan put their 15% and Obenya. Kennedy, 15%. Uncle who said, dear Wayan, say MPP now, Baumiana or good hoof. Or no Canada, Japan on him say, figures now what they man. Say Mahama lost election 2016. Or no Canada, Japan, the year when it's when him say Mahama never lost 2016 elections. And you know, and no movie aban. And no one can say that's not TV so. I can say 2016 but the MPP for Jimia or no Canada the bachelor of Kwanya Mufas winning aban. So in the first place, Mahama didn't lose the elections. Yes, near Canada, Japan, I would be by picture to TV so I can't see who I am born in Prano. The baby be over 3 days near Kun. Yes, near no Canada, Japan, or catch the MPP for the MPP for Jimmy or who be that or who didn't belong to that political party and what the MPP for him say MPP for to Abamano. Don't bear the flag.
Yamfa kwanya we ne na ya hwefo ne ya tiefo ase so makan ho aboy ho ban madwumadie ya ba wieye onyankopon kan obibia ho na nyame ya doma ukuo da yensa ne mehia yadama se ebre bia mo kan ho ma the evidence show e wo hia TV yetimi de bremo onyankopon emfa enko